Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, A Letter to God, written by G.L. Fuentes. I have already told you the summary in my previous lecture. I have told you about the characters. I have told you about the irony in the story as well as the significance of the title. Let's start the chapter now. The house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Means the house that belonged to Lencho was the only house that was there on the top. Crest means top. Top of the hill. It was a low hill. Low hill means the hill was low, heighted. Height was low. It was not a high hill. The house that belonged to Lencho was the only house in the entire valley that was on the top of the hill. From this height, one could see the river. Means from there, from his house, a river could be seen flowing, and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. Ripe corn dotted with the flowers means ready to harvest corn fields, right? That always promised a good harvest. Means from his house, one could easily see a river flowing, and a big farm of ready to harvest corn were visible. Fine. The only thing and that always promised a good harvest means the field belonged to Lencho, and he had utmost confidence. Means he knew that the harvest would give him a good profit. Okay. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour. Downpour means heavy rain, or at least a shower. Means the only thing that he awaited was rainfall. He was waiting for the rainfall. Throughout the morning, from the very morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, means he spent his entire morning and he knew about his fields, that his fields only needed rain, had done nothing else. He was doing nothing else, just gazing at the sky. Gazing means looking at the sky, continuously looking towards the northeast. Means he was gazing at the sky in the northeast direction, from where a drizzle was expected to shower on his field. Fine. Now we are ready, going to get some water, women. What do you mean by this? Let's read the paragraph. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boy were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house, until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Now we are really going to get some water, women. Means the man, Lencho, while looking at the sky, confidently tells his wife, that they are going to have a rain shower. And the woman replied, the woman who was preparing supper, who was preparing food, she replied, yes, God willing. Means only if everything happens as they hope and expect, right? The older boys were working in the field. Their elder children were working at the field, while the smaller ones means the younger ones were playing near the house. Until the woman called to them all. The woman who was preparing supper, she called them all, come for dinner. Means the supper was ready and she called everyone for dinner. It was during the meal, it was during they were having their dinner, that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Means as Lencho was expecting, he predicted that the rain would come. Big drops of rain begin to fall. It was during that time drops of rain begin to fall. Hereby proving, here it was proving the farmer's prediction to be true. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. Means the wind was pleasant and clouds could be seen approaching from the northeast sky. The air was fresh and sweet. The men went out for no other reason than to have a pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Lencho goes out of the house to take pleasure in feeling the droplets on his body. And when he returns, he exclaimed. What do you mean by exclaimed? What do you mean by exclaimed? Cry out suddenly. In surprise. Strong emotion. Or pain. Exclaimed means cried out suddenly in surprise or strong emotion or pain. Right? He exclaimed. Who exclaimed? Lencho. Lencho exclaimed. These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. Means he refers the drizzling as coins. He refers to the drizzling as coins. Large droplets being equivalent to 10 cents. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are 5s. Means he compared those raindrops with the money, right? The larger droplets, the big ones, as 10-cent pieces, and the little ones, the little raindrops with 5 cents. He says so because these rainfall would ensure a good crop, which would eventually get them a lot of money. This is very important. This is generally asked, why these coins are compared with raindrops by Rancho? So the answer is he compared them because these raindrops would ensure a good crop, which would eventually, after some time, get them a lot of money. Fine? Have you understood the chapter? Means these two paragraphs? You revise these two paragraphs again and we will continue with the chapter tomorrow. Okay? Bye.